What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how I did a $55,000 profit wholesale deal from a cold call lead. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to show you everything from start to finish on how we got this deal, and I'm going to explain it to you. Guys, I want to mention that I hold a free 1-hour live training every single week where I show you step-by-step how to get your first deal in the next 30 days and make $20,000 or more. And if you're already doing deals, I'll teach you how to scale up. So if you want to get on a free 1-hour mentorship call personally with me, click the link down below in the description, sign up for the next one. They're every single Tuesday, every week. I want to see you on the 1-hour calls with me where I'm able to actually dive deep and break down this information and tell you exactly what to do personally. So I'll see you on that call. Let's break this down. $55,000 wholesale deal. So in order to get wholesale deals, we have to do marketing, okay? We have to do marketing in order to find a motivated seller. So what marketing did I do? I did cold calling. Okay, so what is cold calling marketing? Cold calling marketing is when you get a list of motivated sellers. You get a list of data of people maybe that have owned their home for 15 years or more. So that way they're more likely to sell because, you know, when people have owned their home for 10 years or more, the data shows that they become 70% more likely to sell the property. And then also they're a high equity homeowner, right? They've owned the property for 15 years. The property has raised in value while they've paid down the mortgage, meaning they owe less on it than what it's worth, meaning they have equity in it, right? Maybe it was a divorce list, right? That's what I did, right? So once I pull that list, I then cold call it. How do you cold call it? A lot of people do cold calling wrong because they type in one number in their phone at a time, waiting for it to ring, no answer, type in another number, wait for it to ring, no answer. Takes you 10 minutes before you even get someone on the phone. To do cold calling right, you got to use a 12-line multi-line dialer software, such as the Ready Mode Dialer. What it does, it calls 12 people at a time. It feeds you the people that answer. So that way, every 30 seconds when you get off a live call, it'll feed you another live call. That way you can reach hundreds and thousands of people. So that's what I do for cold calling, and I have a bunch of cold callers on my team that make those cold calls for me. Once they find a seller that is motivated to sell, highly motivated, and interested in receiving a cash offer, they push that motivated seller over to my CRM. Okay? Once they go to my CRM, now they're talking to my sales team, which is my acquisition manager. Okay? My acquisition manager that closed this deal, that locked it up, is Louie. Okay? So when Louie got on the phone with the motivated seller, when the lead came in, Louie started talking to the seller, okay? The seller expressed, this property right here that we want to sell, it's not our main property. We bought this property as a fixer-upper. We were going to fix it up and sell it. This is what we were going to do to make some money. It was a husband and wife that bought this property and they wanted to fix it up themselves and flip it essentially. But what happened was their family kind of fell apart at the time of making this purchase, and they were going through a pretty nasty divorce, and they needed to sell all their assets because that's how divorces go. You get divorced, everything gets split down the middle, sell the house, sell this, split the money. So they needed to get rid of the property due to a divorce. Unfortunately, it sounds like there was drugs involved with the wife, and it was just a messy situation. But guys, in order to get good deals, that motivation has to be high, right? You need a distressed seller, and that's exactly what this situation was. So the property, we found out it's a motivated seller, and then Louie also pulled out the property condition. So the components you're going to want to talk to the seller about are motivation, condition of the property, and asking price, and timeline. Okay? Sorry, my handwriting's kind of bad, but motivation, condition, asking price, timeline. Those are core components you want to hit when talking to a seller. So when Louie talked to the seller, the motivation was divorce, nasty divorce, highly motivated to sell, have to sell. Cool. Condition, fixer-upper. It needs a lot of work. It's in bad shape. Boom. That works. Asking price. The seller's asking price was reasonable. They wanted $80,000. $70,000 to $80,000 is what they said. Don't worry, we're going to negotiate. We're going to get it lower than that. And timeline, ASAP. We like that because we're going to be able to get paid ASAP if they want to sell ASAP. So their asking price was $80,000. Condition, bad. Motivation, high. Okay? And timeline to sell ASAP. These are what put together a great wholesale deal. High motivation, bad condition, reasonable asking price, and timeline ASAP. Okay? So Louis started negotiating. We were able to get the property under contract for $55,000. We then got photos of the property, okay? And we started marketing the deal out to cash buyers. This property was worth ARV, after repair value. The ARV was $200,000. So once the property would be fixed up and fully remodeled, it would be worth about $200,000, but the property needed between $40 to $45, maybe $50,000 in remodel cost, in repairs. So we got the property under contract for $55,000. We know it's going to be worth $200,000. We got the photos of the property. The condition wasn't worse than what we expected. So now we have to decide what are we going to sell this deal for. So if the buyer has to put $40,000 into it and he still needs to make a profit, we couldn't really sell it for more than like $115,000. So we started marketing the deal out to our list of cash buyers for $115,000. We ended up having a buyer come in and want to buy the deal and said they could close in 7 days for $110,000. We signed the assignment contract with them for $110,000. It took about 7 days. It took a little bit longer because the title search took longer. But in 10 days' time, pretty much all said and done, I'd say 2 weeks from contract to close, from getting the deal under contract, 10 days, boom. We made, not only did we lock up the deal for $55,000, but we made $55,000 profit on this deal. That's how we did this $55,000 wholesale deal. It starts with marketing. We find our motivated seller, goes to the sales team. We pull out their motivation. We pull out the condition of the property, their asking price, their timeline. We negotiate with them. We sell them. We present them the offer. We get them to agree. And boom, we get the deal under contract. We get photos of the property and we market the deal. I will see if I can find some photos of this property and I will put them on the screen right now. So check out these photos. That was the condition of this property. But guys, this is what I'm doing every month. I'm doing multiple deals every single month in my business where we're absolutely crushing it, making a ton of money. And I want to teach you how to do the same. So if you've never done a wholesale deal before, I want to show you how to get your first deal in the next 30 days and make $20,000 or more. So click the link down below, sign up for my next live training so I can personally coach you. And if you're already doing deals, I want to show you how to scale up where you can do 5, 10, 15 deals a month like my company's doing. I'm going to show you how to put the systems and processes in place that you need to have to succeed. So if you want to get on a 1-hour call with me for free for me to show you how to put those systems in place, click the link down below in the description, sign up for my next 1-hour live training. But hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.